welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. So for those who are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Pallavi and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, DIYs and many more every Tuesday and Friday. So if you want to have a look on my videos and if you liked it, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more such future videos. Thank you so much. So today we are going to have a DIY video. In this DIY video we are going to make face masks, especially from the ingredient called turmeric. So we are just going to get in detail in this video and use this turmeric as a face mask for especially for the glowing skin. So if you want to know more in detail what are the ingredients to be used for this face mask, so let's jump right into the video. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use in the DIY. So let's go in detail. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory benefits. It can prevent psoriasis, acne and prevent the cell damage caused from sun and aging. It also reduces the dark puffy circles due to improper sleep or intake of too much of sodium. Now the second ingredient as the apple cider vinegar helps to prevent the fine lines and wrinkles and also helps in reducing the acne. Now coming to the third ingredient, that is honey, which is especially great for healing acne and scarring. It is also helpful in fighting the skin infections, cleans pores while naturally exfoliating. It also helps skin to retain the moisture, rejuvenates radiance and softness, and also not to forget its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal and high in antioxidant properties. So with that, knowing all the benefits of its ingredients, let's start with our DIY. So for this DIY, first of all, we are going to need a bowl and a spoon. In this bowl, we are taking half teaspoon of turmeric powder. The next what we are going to use is the apple cider vinegar. Now remember to use the organic apple cider vinegar as it is the best form of that. So here we are taking half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and just adding it to the turmeric mixture. Now the next ingredient what we are going to use is the honey. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take 1 tablespoon of honey into the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of honey into the mixture and then we are going to mix the complete mixture. Next we'll go for adding 1 teaspoonful of yogurt. Now this yogurt you can also use milk instead of yogurt, whatever is available at your home. I had yogurt at my home so I used yogurt. That is completely on your call. Now this yogurt benefits us with zinc and lactic acid with the application of it on our skin. Now this lactic acid helps us in exfoliation. Zinc is an excellent source of reducing the spots or the scars on your face. Now to this mixture I preferred adding some drops of lemon to it. Now lemon helps in skin whitening, so if you're aiming for whitening of the skin you can definitely go and add lemon to your mixture. Mix the mixture completely, ensuring that there are no lumps into it. Just mix it so that it gets evenly distributed to all places, and this mixture you can apply it on your face. I'm so sorry guys, I missed the clip where I applied this on my face. It's the normal procedure how you apply all the face masks to your face, and then you can leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. I just washed off my face and you can feel the freshness. I personally can feel the freshness in my one thing I would like to say that the mask which we made was a bit sticky, and that was the stickiness was basically because of the presence of honey in it. The honey made the paste, the mixture, very sticky. So like when I left my face for drying, it was very sticky on my face, and obviously that makes us feel very irritated. But then while it got dried up, One thing what you can do is, it's not that easy to remove because of the stickiness. So what you can do is, initially start with warm water, lukewarm water. I started with lukewarm water. What you can do is take water in hand and then start rubbing on both the cheeks of yours, so that loosens up from the skin, and then later on you can use the cold water to wash the complete face. So that was how I washed. And then another thing what I wanted to tell you guys is, obviously, the just with the use of only one application, I don't say that there can be considerable difference, you will be able to see considerable difference in your face, because it's very difficult to find any considerable difference just on the basis of one application. Obviously you will have to wait for some time. If you want better results, you have to go for at least twice to thrice in a week. And this was my small DIY video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. This is Pallavi from Stylist Aloud signing off for today. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. If you want to see my recent videos, then please click on the videos and you'll be directly taken to that particular video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.